Hi, this is Kay from C&K Review and Blogs. So today we're going to review, it's called French Nail Stamper. Let's see, I have short nails, so I'm going to do with this one. I have short nails. I should have done it when it was longer nails. This is like a rubber thing on the top. It's squishy. So I'm going to grab this paint. I'm going to shake it up first. I have never done this. I have looked at the videos. So let's see how it works. So I'm not going to add a lot to it. And I'm going to damp it there. Let's see, because I see it running. I think I added a lot to it. You see, like, I don't know. Perfect. You see how this one I went too in, and this one I barely did it. So let's see with this one. I barely have anything here. Just a tip. Wow. This one I went too deep in it. So I'm gonna try to do this one. I'm gonna do this one again. Hold on. Let me get a thing to clean it. Okay. I just cleaned it. So let me do it again. And this time I'm not gonna go deep into it. I'm just gonna have it there, like just a tip. And look how it came out. Just the tip. Let me do it again for this side. Very nice. And these two, look at how it came out. I could try this pinky one. Let me see, there's still paint there. So I'm not gonna go all the way deep. Just the tip. And look how it came out. There's something inside the paint right there. I needed some paint on the edges right here, but look at the edge. Wow. So you see how it came out. Easy enough. This is the first time I have done it. And look, no paint. It's cool that you don't have to clean it all the time because the paint just left. I was thinking I had to clean it with acetone, but nope. So these are easy way for French tip. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment and share. Thank you.